How to change your delivery date on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change the delivery date on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, sometimes items require scheduled delivery due to size and weight. You may be able to update your scheduled delivery date and time on orders that have entered the shipping process by visiting your orders in the Your Account page on Amazon. And to actually change the delivery date for your Amazon products, all you have to do is simply open the Amazon shopping application, come to this account icon that you can find here, and then what I want you to do is I want you to go to your orders. Once you go to your orders, just select the order that you would like to reschedule and then tap the reschedule option. From the calendar, select another date and time that work for you. Now currently I don't have any orders. If you do have, you will definitely find the option to select another date and time and then click on confirm. Now after this, if your item has not shipped or if you didn't schedule your delivery date and time during the checkout process, you won't be able to change the scheduled delivery date in your orders. You must contact Amazon customer service to see what options are available. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.